What's up, Melts by Minnie? Today is a new hair day, and I am back again with another hair tutorial, y'all. So before we get into this video, make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe to the channel. We on the road to 5K. Let's go ahead and get there. And on that note, you guys, we about to go ahead and get right into this video. Alright, you guys, I am back, and today's video is about Morichy hair. Morichy. I don't know how to really say it, but we got Morichy hair today, you guys. They sent me a beautiful 4x4 lace closure wig, y'all, and I want to say this is 22 or 24 inches. I'm not so sure, but I will pop it up on the screen. But this is a 4x4 cute wig, y'all. As y'all see, this hair is really soft. I just got done washing it and blow dry, and as you can see, y'all, it's so really soft. It was a body wave wig, but after I washed it and stuff, you know, when you wash the hair and blow dry and stuff, it be turning straight and stuff. But y'all, I will tell y'all right now, I'm already loving this wig because like how silky it feels. Like it just feels so good. So y'all make sure y'all go check out Morichy hair, y'all. Everything about them is gonna be down in the description, including this wig link. So y'all, we about to go ahead and get right into this hair tutorial because I'm ready to put on this wig. I'm ready to slay this wig. So yeah, y'all just stay tuned, sit back, relax, and enjoy this video. Alright, you guys, so right here I already laid the wig down. Right now I'm spraying some extra ebony spray to lay the lace down really good. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, this is the final look of the hair. It looks really, 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 really good. It turned out very cute. As y'all can see, nice flowy, got the curls coming in. Yes, this is giving. It is giving what it's supposed to give, period, y'all. So yes, this is how it looks. If you want this same exact wig, y'all just comment down below. I mean, not comment down below. Y'all look in the description below. Everything about Morichy hair is going to be down in the description. This wig link is going to be down in the description. I'm telling y'all, go check this hair out because I'm telling y'all, this hair really, really soft. Like, I just love it. I love it. Y'all know when I love some hair. I love this hair. And it's really, really cute. As y'all see, I slayed my baby hairs. I did all of that. Plucked me a cute little part. As y'all can see, I did everything very well. And y'all was super easy to install and all of that. So as y'all can see, like, looking really good. Okay? But y'all, I'm about to go ahead and go get dressed for the day. But y'all make sure y'all check out Morichy hair. Everything is about them is going to be down in the description like I said. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm out, you guys. I'll see y'all in the next hair tutorial. Peace.